Chapter 5, Our Environment. You will learn natural resources, type of pollution and its effects, steps to save environment, natural resources. My mother was telling me to wear a face mask. She is right. Don't you see so much pollution in our environment? Teachers note, ask the children how they feel when there is too much dust during a storm. Tell them it is a pollution and make them understand different type of pollution. Mother Nature has provided us with many valuable things which help us to survive on the planet Earth. She has given us air to breathe, soil to grow, crops, water to drink, and many much essential things without which there would be no life on earth. Due to our carelessness, we add harmful things to air, water and land and pollute such precious gifts. Pollution refers to make these life-sustaining resources dirty and harm our environment. Polluted environment has become a global concern today and the entire world is trying to control it. Let us study about different type of pollution. Water pollution. No living things, be it human beings, animal or plants, can live without water. All these require water for their daily activities. Human beings need water to drink, bath, wash and grow crops. Animal, birds and plants also need water nowadays. Most of the water sources have become polluted because of our carelessness. Cause of water pollution: discharge of dirty sewage water from cities, towns and factories into water bodies, making the water unfit for use. Bathing and washing clothes and cattle on the banks of rivers and ponds, making the water polluted. Oil spills by ships into water while traveling on sea and ocean, throwing garbage into water bodies and making it dry. Effect of water pollution: cholera, jaundice and typhoid are caused by contaminated water. Polluted water kills water plants and aquatic animals. Air pollution: human beings need clean air to breathe and stay alive and healthy, but air is being polluted every day due to our various activities. Cause of air pollution: release of smoke and other harmful gases from the chimneys into the air of factories and industries. Pollution of air by burning garbage, dry leaves and crackers. Emission of smoke from cars, buses and other vehicles add to the pollution of air. Random cutting of trees, which are agents that make air rich in oxygen content. Effect of air pollution: breathing troubles are asthma, allergy and several coughing. Irritation in our eyes which make them red and watery. Land pollution: many careless activities result in the pollution of land, making it less fertile. Cause of land pollution: excessive use of fertilizer and pesticides with harmful chemical by farmer in their fields. Factories dump their known biodegradable waste on land, thus polluting the soil. Throwing household garbage and plastic in the open also pollute the land. Effect of land pollution: the harmful chemical in the fertilizer cause disease in crops, fruits and vegetables, which make human and animals sick on consumption. The chemical and fertilizers seep into the ground and pollute the underground water, hampers the fertility of the soil and make it less yieldful. Noise pollution: sound which is loud and unpleasant to our ears is called high level of such sounds leads to noise pollution. Causes of noise pollution: bursting of firecrackers add to noise pollution. Listening to the television and radio at high volume also cause noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused by sound of moving vehicle and excessive use of horns, loudspeaker and used in procession and in different functions such as festival and wedding also result in noise pollution. Effect of noise pollution: it lessens our ability to concentrate and does not let us think clearly. It can harm our ears and even make us partially deaf. It can lead to mental stress, headache and irritation. Steps to save the environment: if pollution is not controlled, a time may come when our exercise to earth would become impossible. It can be controlled by the steps given below. We must conserve water and other water resources. We should plant more trees. They help us to keep the air clean. We must avoid using plastic and polythene as much as possible. We must segregate biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste before disposing. Celebrate Diwali with candles and diyas and say no to firecrackers. Firecrackers cause loud noise and smoke. We must save paper as saving paper means saving tree. We should throw garbage into the garbage bins only. Recall, our careless action are the main reason of different type of pollution. Pollution can be of water, air, land or noise. All type of pollution are harmful for our environment. If pollution is not controlled, our existence would be threatened. All type of pollution can be controlled by being careful and judicious. Pick the correct option.